How to download GTA San Andreas on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download GTA San Andreas on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is download the Steam application from your Google Chrome. If you don't have it, go ahead and search for a Steam download and then hit enter. Now you're going to go ahead and click on the first URL that you see as your result and then install Steam from here. Once you download Steam, you should open the application and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and click on the search bar and search for GTA San Andreas, and you will be able to see the actual game right here. Now click on this and then you will be taken to the game's interface. Now you'll have to select your date of birth because the date restricts players that are younger than 18. So go ahead and enter your date and then click on view page. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of information about the game. So what you essentially want to do is click on this option to add to cart. Now you're going to go ahead and click on view cart. Click on the checkout option and continue to payment. Now you're just going to go ahead and select your payment method. Click on continue and then enter your payment method or card. So if you are going to continue with Visa card, go ahead and enter all of your billing information and then click on continue, and you should be able to find your game here on library. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.